Oh yeah, nice and bright out. But it is not bright in here. It's actually very dark in this garage. We're gonna add some lighting in here. 20 lights to be exact, to bring some light into this situation so that we can work on cars like this beast right here. So let's take a look at what we got. So I've picked up these light fixtures here from Amazon. They're basically just 4-foot tube lights, shop lights that you can put across the ceiling to bring a bunch of light into the situation. Got like 6500K, whatever that is. It's gonna be super bright, but I got 20 lights here, and we're gonna put them vertically here in 4 rows across the ceiling here to kind of bring some light here, because right now I just got 2 shop lights and there's light here, which is just barely enough. Especially when I'm trying to work on the car. I don't really have any lighting, so I can't really see anything. Let's get right into it. I've already mapped out the ceiling, got marks everywhere. We're gonna chalk some lines and get to it. All right, now that we got those boards cut, I've got them here. We have to put them up here in this little area here and over here to support these lights, so we have something to fasten to as we bring them horizontally across the ceiling. All right, now that we got those in, let's run our chalk lines. All right, now we got our lines chalked all across. Now we're gonna put our brackets in across the line and snap in the lights as we go across. Just bring in 4 rows of 5 all the way across. And then after that, we'll worry about hard wiring them together. All right, so it's later today. We're gonna connect those together there, and then over here, up on the ceiling here, we're going to take these 10 over here and these 10 over here and put them in a junction box and put them to where the power is, and so they should all be hardwired. So let's start there. Diego, look at you. There you are. Sit. You're so cute. It's getting a little dark in here. Let's bring on the power. Ended up splicing these wires up to get them to connect together, since my wire cutters kicked the bucket and are just busted now. But this is a nice, really nice tight hold. We got the wire going over, ready for power. So we're gonna do the other one and then we'll do the connection. All right, she's in there, very tight. All right, so this is crazy. So we're gonna turn on the power and hope there's not an explosion. You think it's gonna work, Weagle? Let's check it out. Oh my, what? Yes! Oh, wow. These are not working now. I'm not sure why that is. Wait a sec. So, I ended up getting all of these lights working yesterday by the switch. I just had to modify the way I had the connections and bingo, the switch works. Turn it off. Very dark in here. Turn it on. Voila, works great, and it's offers a lot of light. So I just unplugged these shop lights here and over here. Now I am just going to remove them, and then we're going to either paint them up, make them look really nice, put them over here, or buy some new ones, wire them up from here all the way over to this switch junction box over here. So let's get these off. All right, so the shop lights are out, all out, and it is looking very good. So at this point, I've decided these shop lights are just looking way too old. So we're gonna go out and buy some new ones, put some new ones over there, and also put a few more of these small lights through the middle here. And I think that'll probably pretty much do it. And already you can see this is a significant increase in light and looks way better. So that'll be good. It's kind of interesting that we're missing a line down the middle here, but you can't really put them here because we have this garage door opener here. So it is another day and we're going to try and complete these lights now. I have the last box here of 12 and I bought these fancy little lights here up here where this light is on the ceiling. Plan is over the workbench here to put 2 or 3 rows of 2 over here. And I was going to do some horizontal design here. We're just going to add a strip down the middle, skipping one around the garage door opener. We're good to wire it in. So let's wire it in. Okay, so I didn't film this part, just kind of the simple stuff that we did earlier in the video. We just mesh up this little hardwired portion here to some electrical wire. Couldn't get the morettes on it, way too tight. Like the fibers here of this electrical wire that comes with are just so small, it's just tragic. So got that all matched up and taped the heck out of. Got these separated, ready to connect to the junction, times 2. So we're gonna set those 2 up and then that should be it. All right guys, so you can see my 2 lights over here I put are now in there, connected, bingo. This whole little sequence of lights over here, all the way over to here are connected in. I'm gonna fasten up that little loose wire in a bit, but let's give it a shot and make sure that everything that we put on is right. So let's check it out. We're gonna turn on the panel here and nothing should come on when we turn on the panel. Just the garage door light, which just came on, right? All right. So the panel's on, we just got the switch. Let's see guys, here we go. put it in wide mode for this one. Okay, moment of truth. Let's hit the switch. Oh, they are not going on. Some sort of a problem here. All right, it looks like there was a loose connection because I went up there and unscrewed the plate off of the junction and it all came to life. So here we go. Yep, that's right. It looks completely sick. Damn. Now I know it's not all crazy. We don't have our hexagonal lights in there. You're looking at $2 grand for lights here. Altogether, I think I might be in like $280, $300, something like that. But this is properly cool. All right, now let's pull this car in, and that's really what all these lights are going to be so good for. But alright guys, that is it for this video. So basically what I did in this garage is created a whole bunch of light to really accentuate what we're doing inside here, because I'm going to be working on vehicles such as this one and this one going forward with this channel. It's obviously my other channel, the Open Road Obsession, is where we're going to highlight the review kind of content. But here, I'm just going to buy stuff that I enjoy, like this CLS 63, fix it up, make it really nice, and buy different ones and just kind of move up from there. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys are interested in this kind of stuff, or you thought this was pretty entertaining, or you maybe want to buy some of these lights, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. So peace out, have a good week. Peace.